In this video, I'll show you how to install WhatsApp Chat on Practice Better, a tool many professionals use to manage clients and appointments. If you're looking for a way to integrate WhatsApp to streamline your communication with clients, stick around as I walk you through every step. First off, you'll need to make sure that you have an active Practice Better account and access to the Practice Better portal. Once logged in, head to your account settings. From here, you're going to want to look for the Integrations section. This is where Practice Better allows you to add third-party tools, including WhatsApp. Now, the next thing you need to do is click on the Add Integration button, and from the list of available integrations, find WhatsApp. If you don't see it, don't worry. You'll need to use a third-party service, such as Twilio, to bridge the gap between WhatsApp and Practice Better. The third thing you'll do is sign up for a Twilio account if you haven't already. Twilio is a platform that lets you send messages via WhatsApp, and it's compatible with Practice Better. Once you've got your Twilio account, you'll need to connect it with your Practice Better account by entering your Twilio API keys. You can find these in the Twilio dashboard. Next thing, once the accounts are linked, you'll be able to configure your WhatsApp integration. You'll enter your WhatsApp business number into the Practice Better settings, and this will let you send and receive messages from clients through WhatsApp directly from the platform. The fifth thing is testing the integration. Once everything's connected, it's crucial to test that everything works. Send a test message from Practice Better and see if it shows up on your WhatsApp account. If everything looks good, you're set. However, I should point out that while Practice Better's WhatsApp integration works, there are some limitations. It's not as seamless or intuitive as other platforms. You may find that it's a bit clunky or requires extra steps for clients to respond through WhatsApp. Now, here's the thing you'll want to know before leaving. There's a better alternative out there for managing client communication. Many people prefer using more flexible tools for WhatsApp integration that come with built-in features designed specifically for smoother interactions. If your goal is efficient, real-time client communication with minimal setup, I highly recommend you check out other platforms that support this from the get-go. These alternatives are faster, user-friendly, and offer better client management features right out of the box. But before you go, here's the good news. We have an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits for Practice Better. But if you're open to exploring other options, we've added some amazing alternatives to the video description, which also come with free trials. These platforms are better suited for the goal of seamless WhatsApp integration and provide you with features that make managing your practice far more efficient. Don't miss out on the best free trial deal available only for our viewers. Check it out in the description below.